Hello everybody and welcome back to another diorama challenge video, I think I should call it, because what we are looking at here is basically leftover stuff from other projects. A huge pile of scrap here, and I don't know how to use it. It really bothers me. I should have thrown it away, but I haven't, and now it's here. So I have decided to give myself a challenge. Can I really get something out of these different and not very cool leftover pieces? Can I make a diorama using only this and the other regular tools, glue, paint, whatever I usually use? I don't know, but I'm going to take the challenge and see where it ends. So this is the beginning, and let's see what I can do with... Yeah, come on. Let's get started. Oh, that's it so far, and of course it looks horrifyingly bad here. I have almost used just about everything I got, and I just about reached the 30 centimeters in height that I would like to, but let's see, not quite. No. I still need to glue on the final pieces here. And, well, then it really needs some work. So here we are, finished to stage 1, as I usually call it, which means that you can continue to add details and continue to work, make even more. But so far I think I'm going to stop, and well, I'm not going to call this a masterpiece by far, but it turned out quite a lot better than I hoped, and it shows that you actually can do something with your leftover stuff. I wouldn't really have thought that it was possible, but I think it turned out pretty decent. So in the end here, I got this cave outside whatever diorama that fits with the figures in the Mythic Legion scale, and of course any other figure in the same scale. So challenge completed. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.